Today I'll be conducting a brief demonstration of Airboxr. One of the most fundamental functionalities of Airboxr is the airhops function. So what airhops are essentially no-code queries that allow you to import very specific data insights to serve very specific business insights. So what you would do is to click on the airhops function in the side panel, and this gives you a list of different airhops. So for example, if I wanted data on like visitor statistics in the last 7 days to my website, I can just click on that specific airhop, and in one click, Airboxr trawls through the data in your Google Analytics accounts and gives you back the structured table of visitor statistics. And this can be done in one click without any code, and that's how you use airhops. Supposedly you want to also just import data with custom filters and aggregation functions. You could do that in the import button, and this gives you a whole list of data sources such as Hubspot, Google Analytics, different sort of data sources that you can connect to and import your data from. We'll be linking another video in the description box below about specifically how to use the import data function. And if you want to use external data sources, so like proprietary data sources, maybe if you wanted to generate leads and update your spreadsheet with a list of leads from a specific company, you could also do that using Airboxr. Specifically, you could use the enrich button in the side panel. So we click on that, and you can also click on find people. And then here's where you specify the search parameters for the leads that you want to update your spreadsheet with. So suppose I want to find people in the marketing team in Unilever, maybe based in Australia. So I would set the search parameters, click on find leads, and Airboxr automatically gives you back this table of leads of people, kind of like pertaining to the search parameters that you specified. And suppose you have this whole list of people and you've narrowed down a bunch of leads that you hope to convert as customers. What you can then do is click on the checkbox next to their names in the table, and then click on find emails. And Airboxr automatically trawls through external data sources to find their contact information, which will allow you to contact them and convert them as customers. This is just a very brief overview of Airboxr. There will be a link in the description below for installing Airboxr, and follow our channel for more tips on how to speed up your spreadsheet work.